Hello everyone, thank you for joining me today. My name is Nick, and today we're going to be taking a look at CoWriter's new As Needed mode. To begin, I've opened up my Google Doc and have my CoWriter tool already turned on. You'll notice the word prediction window already showing up on my screen. To enable As Needed mode, we're going to select the CoWriter extension up in your web browser and select the Options menu. We're going to scroll down to the bottom of the page and find our As Needed menu. It'll be off by default, so let's go ahead and turn that on. Once I've turned that on, we're going to go back into our Google document. And you'll now notice that my word prediction window is no longer on the screen. Instead, we have this nice CoWriter icon that appears next to our blinking cursor. What this As Needed mode allows us to do is quickly turn CoWriter on and then minimize again with a simple click of the mouse. Again, this is going to work great with our horizontal view by simply being able to quickly turn the tool off and on with the left click of your mouse button. We do have another feature built into our As Needed mode, so let's take a look at that as well. Again, we're going to select our CoWriter extension icon. We are going to select Options and scroll back down to the bottom into our As Needed menu. We're going to select the As Needed menu and turn on the As Needed speech to text. Let's hop back over to our Google Doc to take a look. What you'll now notice is that instead of my CoWriter icon, instead I have this nice microphone icon. Let's click on it and see what it does. Today we're learning all about CoWriter's new As Needed mode, period.
Today we're learning all about CoWriter's new As Needed mode.
You'll notice that this new option allows me to quickly access our CoWriter dictation speech-to-text tool. Once I disable the tool, you'll also notice that it is now going to read back the entire sentence for you with word-by-word highlighting. This should really help you catch any errors that occur while using this dictation tool. I hope you've enjoyed this look at CoWriter's new As Needed mode. For more updates on CoWriter and other Don Johnston tools, please keep an eye out on our Don Johnston Learning Academy and product resource page. Thank you.